Hey, it's Walter Van Dissen. We are at the 2025 ProFusion Expo in Toronto, Canada. I am with Patrick. NANUK is a company that I have a lot of the gear that I use to transport. And we have a few items here that was semi-released within the past 2 years, correct?
The backpacks have been released about 2 years ago or so, cubics in the same time frame. The 935 case we update every year. We have new colors, we have new features that we update on a continual basis. So there's always something new in that category.
So let's talk about what you guys, what NANUK updated for 2025.
So updates from 2025 on the 935, we updated some new colors in the cyan blue and the sage green. We also, I'm just going to grab one from back here.
Yes.
A heavy duty wheel model.
Oh, that's kick butt. Let's see that.
Cool. So the heavy duty wheel system is a new addition for this year. It makes the 935 case a lot more malleable over uneven terrain. And the 935 is really known for its ability to be used as a carry-on. The bigger wheels make it a little bit more difficult, but we've made a system that we can take the wheels off so that you can continue to carry it as a carry-on. So it's a very simple system.
That was kick butt.
It's awesome. You just throw it into your bag or into the case itself, and off you go. And then when you're back on, you just put it right back in, and then off you go. Right? It's simple as that.
And what's to do with this stuff?
This is to make sure that when you're lying it flat, it's going to stay horizontal or vertical. So if you want to lay it flat because you've got your gear inside, obviously.
Yeah.
So you want to keep it level. You can keep it level. If you don't want to, you just put them back down, right? And then same thing underneath. So you have a little kickstand, just like on a bike, which you can put down and off you go.
That's kick butt.
So it's pretty cool. We make that in various colors as we do with all the 935s, but people really like it, especially when they're filming or they're doing stuff outdoors in rocky or roots and that kind of stuff. Makes it a lot easier to carry around.
And NANUK is really known for their latches. Talk to me about the latches.
The latches, it's a patent. It's a NANUK patent. It's called the Power Claw. And the Power Claw is really, really cool because unless you have the dexterity of a monkey, you can't open this, right? So it's a two-step system. And there's a couple things that makes it really cool. Number one, if it's open, it's going to stay open. If it's closed, it's going to stay closed, unless you action it, right? The other thing is, especially when you're filming or you're out birding or whatever, you can open this without making any noise whatsoever. One hand, and you can hold your beer while doing it. So very, very important. Right?
Very nice.
Those are little details that make a NANUK.
And it also has this.
Yeah, so that's a automatic air equalization system. It's fundamentally a Gore membrane, which is really cool. The same stuff that you have in your jackets to allow it. And that allows the free flow of air when there's a variation in air pressure. So it makes it easy to open and close the case as a result.
And how much is this IPC rated?
This is IP67, right?
Which to the layman means what?
Basically, it is waterproof and it is dustproof. That's the fundamentals.
And for those that travel and for photography and video, you go up and down mountains, and if you go really high, the pressure inside could sometimes lock it down.
100%, right?
100%.
That's why you need the air pressure valve to equalize the pressure, and then allows the ease of opening and closing the case.
So just to summarize, we have new wheels that can come off on a plane, which is kick butt.
Yeah.
We also have a leveling system that for horizontal and vertical, I guess.
Yeah.
Your patented latches. This is something that's consistent.
Consistent on all the cases.
And also, your handles are really good too.
The handles are good. They're always dual density handles on all our cases. Makes it a lot more comfortable, and they will either stay open or stay closed depending on the last. So.
And you can also wear gloves and not gloves.
All the time, 100%.
All the time, 100%.
Yeah.
And where's this made?
This is designed, tested, manufactured in Terrebonne, Quebec, in Canada.
So North American design, manufactured, serviced. They have United States is well covered,
Yeah.
Canada's well covered. And what's the warranty on this?
It is lifetime warranty. Okay.
And is the veteran, for veterans and law enforcement, is there any specials?
There are specials for veterans and for law enforcement.
Which can always fluctuate because I'm both. So I got my little discount, but one of the things that you do is if you buy from North America, you get to meet the people that actually make it, and they support those that help support you.
Absolutely.
And this is a company that I highly value, and they have a new one that looks kick butt. I love that the wheels come off. They continually innovating. They, like he mentioned, Patrick mentioned that you can have it instead of tipping over and siding and stuff, you can have it be level. And they also have these bags which can go in the system. So they're always upgrading, always tweaking. Nothing's good enough. It's good enough right now, but it can get better.
We always make it better.
Which is awesome. So it's been Walter Van Dusen at ProFusion Expo 2025 and
Patrick from NANUK.
And that's about it. So thank you very much. And if you want more information about NANUK,
nanukcases.ca.
keep it simple, right? High five. That's good, right?
We had fun.
I like it.